everyone! Today I want to tell you about my favorite food. I love pizza. Pizza is so yummy. It has a crunchy crust with lots of cheese on top. My favorite toppings are pepperoni and mushrooms. They make the pizza taste so good. Sometimes, I also like to add colorful bell peppers and olives. When we make pizza at home, I help my mom spread the sauce on the dough. It's fun to put the cheese and all the toppings on top. Then we put it in the oven and wait for it to get all hot and melty. I also like going to a pizza restaurant with my family. They have big ovens there, and the pizzas come out super big and delicious. I always feel happy when I eat pizza with my family. Pizza is the best food because it's yummy, and you can eat it with your hands. I love pizza so much that I could eat it every day. Thank you for listening to my speech about my favorite food, pizza.